Spring cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy's family decided to clean the house. If everyone works together, we'll be finished soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning house. Betty had to clean every nook and cranny on the first floor. She would often hide behind the furniture or curtains to play. Even though her mom was scrubbing the kitchen, she would always know when Betty stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was in charge of cleaning the second floor. First, he vacuumed and dusted all of the rugs and carpets. Then he polished the windows. Finally, he rearranged the bed and the dresser in his room. Yay! It's finally over! By then, a delicious curry dinner was already cooking. They all washed up and enjoyed dinner in a clean house. The end. Vocabulary: decide, clean, together, sister, nook, cranny, floor, hide, behind, furniture, curtain, scrub, kitchen, in charge of, vacuum, dust, rug, carpet, polish, rearrange, bed, dresser, cook, wash up,